Hello students, now we will be solving memory-based questions of GATE 19. For more video solution on GATE 19, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click bell icon for instant notification.
Hello guys, in this video we will be discussing questions on engineering mathematics from the chapter differential equations, and the question is solve x square d2y by dx square minus 2x dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 0. Conditions given are y1 is equal to 0 and y at 2 is equal to 2. You need to find the value of y at x equal to 3. So if you see the question, it's a question of differential equation, second order differential equation with variable coefficients, and which is also called Euler-Cauchy differential equation. And if you remember the substitutions, it says that you need to take x as e to the power z, and after some manipulation you are left with, means you need to substitute x square d2y by dx square as capital D, d minus 1 of y, where capital D is d by dz. Means you are transforming or changing your variables, means your differential equation d by dx into questions of d by dz. Fine. I am writing here that capital D is d by dz. And x dy by dx becomes capital D of y. You need to make these two substitutions. Fine. So I am making it into the questions. So it will be capital D, d minus 1, y minus 2 of capital dy plus 2 of y is equal to 0. I am simplifying it. D square minus t minus 2d plus 2 y is equal to 0. The auxiliary equation for this will be in terms of m square minus 3d plus 2 is equal to 0. On simplifying this quadratic equation, it will be m minus 1, m minus 2 is equal to 0. So the roots, I am writing it here, the roots are m1 is equal to 1 and m2 is equal to 2. The complementary function is yc is c1 e to the power 2z plus c2 e to the power z. Fine. So e to the power z you have taken as x, so it will be c1 e to the power z whole square, so it becomes x square plus c2 into x. This is your final complementary function in terms of x. Now two conditions are given to you and two constants are there. You know that using these two boundary conditions you need to find the value of c1 and c2. So let me put it, y2 is equal to 2. So it will be 4c1 plus 2c2 is equal to 2. I am taking 2 as common. So 2c1 plus c2 is equal to 1. This becomes your first equation. The second is y of 1 is equal to 0. On putting this in the equation, it becomes c1 plus c2 is equal to 0. That becomes your second equation. Well, let me write it in ordered way. c1 plus c2 is equal to 0. This becomes the second equation. Subtracting both the equations, it will be c1 plus 0 is equal to 1. That means c1 is 1, and on using this equation your c2 will be minus 1. Fine. That was easy. So if I substitute it in the c1 and c2, my complementary function, final complementary function is, I am writing it here, the final complementary function is x square minus of x. Fine, this is your complementary function and you are required to, well, let me mark it with red pen, red colored, so you can see it clearly. And I needed to find the value of y of 3. So just put y of 3 here and you will be getting 9 minus 3, that is 6. So 6 is your correct answer. So I hope you got the solution, and you can see that the only thing you need to remember was the substitutions. If you have remembered the substitutions well, rest of the question is pretty easy. So I hope you got the solution. If you find this useful, do share it with your friends. Thank you.